Are you ready to unlock some financial decisions that can change your life today? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, okay? So, money can be tricky. Maybe you're wondering how to save money or how to make money that works for you. It's easy to feel lost, right? But don't worry, this video is going to give you some simple steps to start making choices, better choices with your money. Okay? So, step one, you're going to start by creating a budget. A budget is going to help you to see where your money is going. It's like a map for your money. So, write down your income and all your expenses. Okay? This way, you know exactly where to save money on. Step two, you're going to save a little bit every month. Okay? Even if it's just a small amount, it adds up over time. You're going to open a savings account and watch your money grow little by little. Step three, you're going to invest for your future. This is where the magic happens. When you start investing, your money can grow faster than it would in a regular bank account. You're not going to make money with your money. If you want your money to work for you, you need to be collecting like 7% off returns a year. So one day when you get to a million after investing 20 years, 7% is 70 grand a year doing nothing, and your million stays there. So if you're feeling excited about this, you do have the power to take control of your money today. So listen, don't forget to comment, subscribe for some awesome tips to help you on your financial journey. And I love you, okay?